What's up, lady gang? It's your girl Lady Lakes, and I'm back with another video. So y'all, I'm finna do my hair. Y'all, I need to do it too. I've been walking around with 2 braids in my head, and I think I'm gonna do 2 braids again, but it's gonna be 2 feed-in braids, not just 2 braids with my real hair. So I got this queen bee braiding hair. I got like 3 bundles of the black hair. I also got this one. With the 3 bundles should be enough to do 2 braids, but if it's not, I'm gonna have a little color in it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video watching me do my hair. So I'm gonna time lapse it a little bit. I will be doing the middle part for my 2 feed-in braids. I'm just trying to make sure the part is straight. I'm now going in with my Eco Styler gel. I'm parting it and going in layers so that my hair will lay completely flat when I do the 2 feed-in braids, and I'm going to do this on both sides of my head. Already had the hair separated, so now I'm just feeding it in and braiding my hair. Y'all, I should have did a better job at blow drying my hair out before I did this style, because the braids are going to be a little frizzy. Y'all will see that at the end of the video, but just a heads up, if you want your 2 braids to be like really smooth with no frizz, make sure you take your time and blow dry your hair and make sure it looks a lot straighter than what my hair does in this video if you want the braids to be really smooth with no frizz. makeup styler gel and my edge brush and just away my edges. Now you want to go in with a scarf and just tie it around your head and let the style set. That will also help with some of the frizz if you're like me and you just didn't blow your hair out that good. That'll help cut down with some of the frizz in the braids. Also, you want to get a cup of boiling hot water and just dip the ends of your braids in it. After you let your scarf stay on your head for at least like 20 minutes, you should be good to go. You can just take it down. This is the finished look of the 2 feed-in braids. I didn't make my braids really long. Honestly, this is just something that I put my hair in until I figure out my next long-term protective style. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends.